Hello everyone, I am Rashmi and today I am going to discuss about this question. So the question statement is given. We are to find out whether this statement is true or false. So the given statement is that the mean of the binomial distribution is 5 and standard deviation is 3. Then we are to find out this statement is true or false. That means here binomial distribution mean value is given and their standard deviation value is given. We are to find out whether they satisfy the given condition or not. We know that for binomial distribution, mean is equal to NP, then standard deviation is equal to root square NPQ. So these are the two conditions given when we are to solve the binomial distribution value. So here n means we have already discussed that what is binomial distribution and what is the formula used for binomial distribution. Here n is equal to the number of trials, p is equal to the probability of the success value, q is equal to the probability of the failure value. So mean is equal to NP and standard deviation is equal to NPQ. So we have only these two formula. So when these two formula are only given and their value is given, mean value is given, standard deviation value is given, we will substitute this value to the formula and see whether it satisfies the condition or not. If you substitute the values, ultimately we will get the value of P or either Q. Then we can compare whether this statement is true or false. So let's start it. So in this question, given that mean is equal to 5 and for binomial distribution mean is equal to NP, therefore NP is equal to 5. We'll give this equation as a number 1. Then second condition is given that standard deviation equal to 3. Now standard deviation for a binomial distribution, the formula is square root of NPQ equal to 3. Now we can remove this root square sign by squaring both sides. So if you square both sides, left hand side become NPQ and in the right hand side it become 3 square equal to 9. So here we are getting two values and this value we considered as a equation number 2. Now if you divide the equation 2 by 1, then left hand side NPQ divided by NP, then 9 divided by 5. Here n cancel out, p value cancel out. So we got that q is equal to 9 by 5. Here we got this value. Now for this value, q value we have got, and we already know that for binomial distribution p plus q equal to 1. This condition is also given. In case of binomial distribution, p plus q is equal to 1. We have already find the value of q. Therefore, if you substitute the value of q in this formula, then we will get the value of p. Therefore, p plus 9 by 5 equal to 1. P equal to 1 minus 9 by 5. Here we can take the LCM 5 minus 9, that means minus 4 divided by 5. So if you study about the binomial distribution, we got another you can say that we are getting some another condition which should be also fulfilled along with the formula. So if you study about the binomial distribution, then we know that it should be also satisfy some formula, and the formula is that P is greater than 0, Q is greater than 0. P greater than 0, Q should be also greater than 0. But here Q is greater than 0, this condition is fulfilled, but Q is 9 by 5 which is greater than 0, but P is minus 4 by 5. That means this is not greater than 0, or this value is a negative value. That's why this statement is a false statement. Why? Because if you get the value, mean value is equal to 5 and standard deviation value is equal to 3, then we cannot get the conditions satisfied by this value. Because if you got mean value NP is equal to 5, standard deviation is equal to root square NPQ. So we have already substituted these values, and after substituting this value we got the value of Q. After getting the value of Q, we can find out the value of P. Now value of P is less than 0, since P is equal to less than 0, which is absurd. And why P value become negative? Because we already assumed that mean is equal to 5 and standard deviation is equal to 3. So the main problem is created by these two values. Therefore we can say that the statement is a false statement, because all this problem or all this negative value is created by this values given by this statement. Therefore the statement is false. So this is a very important question from your examination point of view. You will always get this type of question, and this question may be for 2 marks. Okay, so here mean value is given and standard deviation is given. In your exam maybe some different value will be given, so you have to solve this question by using these two formulas. I hope you can easily solve these questions.